Just watching Skywatch. There's a pretty big windstorm coming through in the Pacific Northwest right now. Just look. This is normally a creek. And it is a raging river right now. This is insane. Go to the other side. Oh, and I just saw a tree fall over there. Oh my God. Hopefully I didn't land on somebody's house. There's a fucking tree that fell on someone's house over there. Alright, I'm gonna do what I can to get some footage. It's pretty crazy around here, guys. I hope everybody in the Pacific Northwest stays safe and dry. I know a lot of people are without power, so be careful out there.